is full of pain. Let's pray together. If we come as one, we can do it again. I don't understand the guns in the Middle East. Why major powers won't give in? That's why Zimbabwe won't find us peace. We all humans, created a love despite the skin color. I just need a hug, that's why I'm selling these drugs. And daddy, your little gorgeous hopes you take her back, but till that day she gon' be selling that. So for a couple stacks, everybody when you hear this track, drop the gun, need a wicked cross and run to church. Your faith is worth. Whoever thought we see the states with a black president telling regiments the war's over, go back home. I pray to see the time when you can call me brother without the fear triggers blazing to a white man say a nigga. Get on your knees and talk to the Almighty. Confide if you believe the power to change the sword is you and I.
Living in this world full of pain and sorrow. Educate the youth, them the future of tomorrow. Babylon them for Bob sanction for we and them smiling. Innocent yes them all left say suffering. We living in this world full of pain and sorrow. Educate the youth, them the future of tomorrow. Babylon them for Bob sanction for we and them smiling. Innocent yes them all left say suffering.
Yo, we living in a world full of pain, full of sorrow. I wonder what stands for the kids of tomorrow. I hear gun blast, ghetto youths running fast, straight bullet passes, misses my head, shutters the window glass. I'm thinking, how long would I last before I turn into dust? It's like ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Lost so many homies in a rush. The streets are hot, police sirens on drug spots. Next thing, gunshots, it's a war zone. So much anarchy going on. So what are the youths gonna learn? Is it watch the world burn? What does the future hold? As the drama unfolds, atomic bombs and M16s, child soldiers at the age of 15. Young, but you don't know what I've seen. Man, it's time to change, know what I mean? I'm an MC and what I see is murder the first degree. Now I'm on my knees, giving a plea for eternal peace.
Now we living in this world full of pain and sorrow. Educate the youth, them the future of tomorrow. Babylon them for Bob sanction for we and them smiling. Innocent yes them all left say suffering. We living in this world full of pain and sorrow. Educate the youth, them the future of tomorrow. Babylon them for Bob sanction for we and them smiling. Innocent yes them all left say suffering. Suffering. Yes, them all them say suffering.